Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for collectives. Collective, kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader ha, search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. Kung gusto mo naman, pwede ka rin mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok. Meron din akong mga content doon na maaaring magustuhan mo. Okay, collectives. What do we have here for collectives, please? For collectives, please. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For collectives. You do have here the Lovers, Two of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. There's this energy that might be napakaganda ng connection na meron ka ngayon. Like maybe you are happy sa relationship mo with friends, family, or maybe sa karelasyon mo ngayon. If you are in a relationship, yung iba friendship ito, no? The Queen of Wands, I can see you giving advice, or with the Devil, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw itong nagiging dominant, ikaw yung nasusunod. But I feel like ito yung priority mo, na maging balance, na maging pantay, na maging maayos. Yung, if you are in a relationship, yung alam mo yon, yung parang equal give and take tayo. Kaya gusto ko maging ganito ka, ganyan ka. So this is you being a manipulator here with the Queen of Wands. Manipulator. Manipulator or dominant na rin na, in a way. Kasi pwedeng may mga times na ganun ka nga talaga. Na parang, hindi, gawin mo to, ganito, ganyan. You are giving instructions dito sa taong ito kung anong dapat niyang gawin. But I feel like you are happy with what you are doing. And itong connection na ito could be a connection na very protected. So, ayan. Ang tendency nagkakaroon ng happy connection, happy relationship, family, ganyan, maganda rin because of this. Tell me about the person na nakakonect ni collectives, please. Person na nakakonect ni collectives. You do have here the Tower and the World. Okay, tell me about this. What's with the Tower and the World? One more card, please. Okay. Gusto lumabas na. Kunin din natin. You do have here the Emperor. The Six of Wands. Knight of Swords. And the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, this is weird kasi it's coming from a different energy. Hindi ito sa relationship na meron ka ngayon, but rather a relationship na might be meron ka in the past. This person is, you do have here the Emperor, Aries energy. Pwede may Aries siya sa kanyang chart, or maybe you're dealing with an Aries. Pwedeng may separation or pagkakalayo sa inyong dalawa, and maybe there's an ending. This person is mailap or malayo, umiiwas siya. Lumalayo siya. Pwedeng may mga relationship din siya na kakonect or what, but pwedeng ganon. Anong emotion mo dito sa taong to? Some of you pwedeng naka-move on ka na, okay ka naman na, sige, may karelasyon siyang iba, so this could be a person in the past. Pero anong emotion mo para sa kanya? The Empress is here. Yeah, you do love yourself. Nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo. Ang pagmamahal mo ngayon nasa sarili mo. The Four of Swords, wala kang pakialam sa kanya, and ang pakialam mo yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon. And this is weird actually, kasi this is another person. Pero yung iba sa inyo may relationship na ako nakikita dito. If you are currently in a relationship with a different person ngayon, maybe pinupurso mo yung mga bagay na maybe you're fixing the problem here with the current relationship. So, kung ano yung mga problema nyo ngayon, ay tinatry mong ayusin ito. And with regards to past, I do feel like you don't care anymore. You're focusing on yourself. Pero alamin natin, ano ang emotion nitong taong ito for you. Queen of Swords is here. Queen of Swords, the Sun. And the Six of Swords. Six of Cups. So, feeling niya masaya ka na. So, kina-cut off ka niya. But, the Page of Wands and the Five of Pentacles. I feel like this person wants to message you na may kinalaman sa usaping pera. So, feeling niya masaya ka na, but this person wants to reconcile. Gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Gusto niyang magkaroon ng relationship. Or if you're in a relationship ngayon, I feel like the sword is, Ace of Swords is here. Pero it is showing like parang gusto niyang i-cut yung relationship mo with that new person para magkaroon ng chance sa atin. Gusto kong mag-end yung relationship mo with that person para magka-chance sa atin, magkaroon ng pagbabago sa connection natin ngayon. This person is really sad. Okay, the King of Cups is here. So, mahal ka niya, pero this person is not showing it with the Strength card. Hindi niya pinapakita yon. May pagde-deny. Or, hindi siya yung tipo ng tao na mag-open ng emotions. What will happen in the future for you? In the future for you, collectives. Okay. Wait lang. Two of Swords, King of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Temperance, the Devil, and the Page of Swords. In the near future for collectives, Seven of Swords, the Judgment, and the Star. Clarify the Star, please. Okay, the Star is clarified by the Nine of Cups. At the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Cups. Mahal ka pa rin niya eh. This person is nasa sayo ang decision actually. Babalik siya sa buhay mo, but nasa sayo yung decision. If you're going to give this person another chance. Pero pag sinabi mong ayaw mo na, this person is lalayo talaga siya. And itatry niyang mag-focus sa sarili niya. Kasi parang kailangan niya lang rin naman ng closure. Kailangan niya lang din naman marinig sa'yo mismo na parang ayaw mo na or hindi pwede talaga. And this person, mabalik siya sa buhay mo para marinig yun, para malaman yun. And I can see communication in the future sa inyong dalawa. But, honestly, kung ito ay matagal mo nang hinintay, you have to follow your heart. You have to follow itong makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay? Doon ka kasi maiksi lang buhay, guys. Pero kung hindi naman siya hinihintay mo or what, or you're already happy, the devil is here, huwag mong intindihin yung emotion niya. Okay? Kung masasaktan siya, sige, sabihin mo yung totoo. Sabihin mo yung dapat niyang marinig. Kasi, ang kailangan niya lang naman talaga is closure. Kailangan lang naman talaga niya for him or for her na mag-stop na talaga, na wag na mag-expect, is marinig niya mula sa'yo na ayaw mo na. So, nasa sa'yo ang decision. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.